Nag-cry kay ano?
I need.
Hmm.
Don't cry, Daddy. Hindi kisaya. Kisaya just eat a bata.
Mhm.
Don't yamang.
Oo, nayamang Teddy. Luwa to. Weti ya didi.
Hiya pips na yamang.
Nayamang.
Auntie, hiya back na yamang.
Asus, ikaw Teddy.
Daddy, don't cry. Kisaya, Daddy.
Mhm.
Kisaya.
Ikaw luwat kasi nag-cry ka. That's why Teddy nag-cry also.
Daddy, don't cry. Kisaya have a band-aid. Kisaya na hurt.
Oh, God.
Kisaya.
Natalie yan story kan Teddy. Isaiah, Natalie yan story kan Teddy. Mhm.
Kaya malaku band-aid. Because na-hurt ako.
Mhm.
Akong tiil.
Mhm.
Dapat cry, Daddy. Kisaya is here. Kisaya got a band-aid. Because Kisaya hurt a needle.
Midul, pagod. Midul.
Yes.
Mida.
Imo hands na yamang. Yung yamang, Daddy. Don't yamang. Like me, I yamang.
So, po kaya na yung with Teddy.
You go to work. And Dada auto work and I cry. I go in Ate Cry's house and Ate Cry knock the door. Ate Cry don't let me sleep.
Istorya. Kay ano?
Don't cry,
Mm,
Daddy.
Teddy.
Kisaya and Mommy and Dada are here.
Mhm.
Don't cry. Kisaya are here and Mommy and Dada are here. Don't cry.
Takay kay nayamang pa man niya. Di rela na inato niya papa sleep with you ha. Kay nayamang pa iya. Pag di rin na yan nayamang, ma-sleep na iya with you. Ano? Excited na ikaw?
Ang Daddy na yamang pa.
Oo. Ikaw Teddy, ayaw pag ginamang para makasleep ka kan Ate Kisaya sa